Hello everyone! Tie two ponytails on either side of the front. Add a ribbon through and then using it as a section, make two braids. Make a middle section at the back, roll it in on itself and then make two braids. Pull the braids through. Divide the bottom into two ponytails. Start off by sectioning off the top of the scalp and then make a braid out of it. Roll it into a bun. Make two braids at the bottom, roll it up. Divide the hair into three portions, make three divisions at the bottom, join it as such, lift it up and tie it. As for the sides, add a bun stick and roll the hair up, adjust it accordingly. Take a section off the front and then begin to braid this portion of the hair. Include more and more sections into it as you braid it. Make a section in the middle at the back, roll it up into a bun. Add multiple sections by joining the hair from either side at the back. Make two braids at the bottom, roll it up. Tie a ponytail on one of the sides, add a hair twine through it. Wrap the hair around this hair twine and then roll it up into a bun shape after you are done. Adjust it accordingly. Take a section off the top of the head. Divide it into two portions and begin to twist one on top of the other. Progress with it and include more and more sections of the hair into it. Make multiple sections at the back as such, join it all together. Tie a ponytail and then tie a hair twine through it. Roll the hair around the hair twine and then make a bun out of it. Adjust it accordingly. Tie a rubber band on one of the sides and then section it into two parts. Make three braids out of it, wrap one of the braids around it. Add a decorative clip. Add a ribbon at the top. Using the ribbons as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair. Do this on the other side as well, join it at the back. Divide the hair into four portions. As for the bottom, add multiple rubber bands and then join it to the top. Make a braid bun on the side. Make four braids at the bottom, tie a ponytail at the top. Add a ribbon through it and then using the sections of the ribbon, make two braids out of it. Roll it up into a bun. Take a small section of the hair from the top, add a rubber band to it, roll it in on itself. Add more sections as you move along. Tie a ponytail, divide it into two portions. For the second section, add a rubber band. Take the top section, wrap it around the first. Do this until you reach the bottom, loosen it using your fingers. Take a section off the middle of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it. As for the sides, continue to braid it and as you progress with the braid, include the sections from the middle. Do this until you reach the back. Make two braids, roll it up. Take a section off the middle, make a braid out of it, add multiple rubber bands to the side. Thank you for watching.